か雪が渋さを演出してますね。せっかくなんでみんなZ1 の後ろに向かってください。みんな立って。見えた。あそこで置いた。いや、間入ったらいかんですね。Z1 の後ろぐらいで固まってもらった方が。いいですか。いきますよ。はい、チーズ。いいですか。なんかポーズ取らなくて。もう一枚いきますよ。はい、チーズ。いきますよ。はい、チーズ。ポーズ取らなくていいんですか。ラストいきますよ。はい、チーズ。はい、オッケーです。
When every once in a while I pretend to close my eyes in order to catch my breath. So come on and breathe, little boy, till you run out of air. Go lose your mind till you're tired about why you think it's not fair. Now you should handle all the low times when you don't know what the flow brings in. When it's time, take your thoughts right where the noise is, right where they belong. Cry your heart out, is this all you got? Yeah. Just keep on giving till it's gone. 'Cause baby, darling, you're not going down. Just keep on giving till well, little boy, I guess it's time to shake hands and take things as they are. You won't change anything by giving me those scars. When every once in a while you pretend to close your eyes, but it's not the time to be blind. Just take your thoughts right where the noise is, right where they belong. Cry your heart out, is this all you got? Yeah. Just keep on giving till it's gone. 'Cause baby, darling, you're not going down. Just keep on giving till it's gone. Just keep on giving till it's gone. Just keep on giving till I've been down the wrong road, and I've been all alone, drinking whiskey at the bottle, honey trying to drown all these sorrows. Only thing that I know, if it glitters, it ain't gold. I just let my heart break and trade that for a good song. Did you fake a
pretty smile. All the breaks that we be taking make it seem like it done been a while. Never mind, we're sleeping with our past ghosts. Ask those on that road, how long does pain it last for? I don't know, but that ain't new to me. Usually I'd foolishly just think that we could be something we couldn't be. Trying to hear that truth we never spoke. Never know no different though than chasing down what isn't gold. If getting what you want require letting go, then that mean that we're capturing our youth require getting old. But all these choices they done been my own. Down the same road again we go, just hoping that the ending different though.
I've been down the wrong road, and I've been all alone. Drinking whiskey at the bottle, honey trying to drown all these sorrows. Only thing that I know, if it glitters it ain't gold. I just let my heart break and trade that for a good song.
Most is pain self-inflicted, mixing my pride and my indecision. Try to find a silver lining in these bad decisions. Blind to that writing on the wall, that's where the future written. Yeah, never been the best with my emotions. Nonetheless, the door was open. Fixing was broken. You was my fixing so potent. Seeming clear to me years might just be some false hoping. But this is give and take, the love that went away. Disintegrate, a product of them things we didn't say. It's heartbreaking the hardest, but honestly I don't think that I can say that in exchange is what the wrong will be a penny lane.
I've been down the wrong road, and I've been all alone. Drinking whiskey at the bottle, honey trying to drown all these sorrows.